Hey guys, Shax here, and in this video, I'll show you how to get the money from Sweatcoin. First things first, open the Sweatcoin app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the balance icon at the top right corner and your overall assets will appear. You just need to make sure that you have enough Sweatcoins so you are able to withdraw them. After that, tap on the shop icon located in the bottom tray of icons and all of the available offers will be displayed on your screen. You just need to scroll down to the bottom and look for the offers that include gift cards. You can then use those gift cards to get huge discounts. There are also some physical products available that you can buy and sell on other platforms to earn money. But that is currently the only way to withdraw from Sweatcoin. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.